Hello, ladies and gents. It's Miss Sab. I just want to share something with you real quick that I forgot to mention the worksheet that's going to help you better understand the information that is in this digital lab. So this is here, and I put it on there just now. Actually, one of the classes already had it, but I didn't realize I had not posted it for everyone. So with that being said, we're going to go ahead and open this worksheet. You are going to eventually open it in Kami and then do your work there. And you'll see that it wants you to insert the data tables from the interactivity here. So as you get those data tables done, it does allow you to download them as an image, and you can literally drag your image into your Kami items. Now, my information is not going to be exactly the same as your information. Don't forget to convert it because it always likes to have that done as a PDF. You're going to have to make the copy and open it in Kami. You're not going to be able to directly write on the one that I have posted. So as you can see, please make sure that you open it in Kami so that you get these things done. Of course, today would be taking a little bit longer than normal. So while we're waiting for that, I hope that you are working on getting yours open and ready to go. Just another moment here as you can see it opening. Well, once you get those things downloaded from the original assignment that I was telling you about, they come down here, and depending on what they are, you can literally usually just drop them into as a picture and make sure that that fits in there. If it does not fit in the way that you want it to, don't forget that we always have the option of going all the way to the end and adding a page. And in this case, instead of a grid page, you would add a blank page, and that way you could drop your pictures in on that blank page. That is, of course, if it allows you to do that. I don't know why it's not allowing me to do it right now, but at worst, you can make a copy of what you have, save it into a Google Drive, and then, because if you don't save it, sometimes it will not, or create your own copy, will not let it make the extra pages. So in my case, it's going to be saving it into my Google Drive so that I can access it later. And now it should allow me to add the extra page with no errors. So you see what happens. It happens to me too. So they want you to insert the data table from your tanks. Make sure that one is labeled 10,000 liter storage and the other one is labeled 15,000 liter storage. Use that save button in the digital video that I was showing you, and you can download them. And then on this page here, if you've added it, we can always just put the images in, whatever the image is, and that way your information would be saved. So there's information that's actually your lab book. This is an example from the lab book, and this is an example of some of the actual data tables that I have done for my practice one. So yours might look different based off of the information that you had for yours. So please make sure that you put your information in there. So as you're going through it, it will help you organize your thoughts, help you with your calculations, and get your stuff matched up so that it makes more sense by the time that you are done. Please, if you want to team up with somebody, please do so, but make sure that you each turn in your information. Have a good one.